Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today I'll be showing you a very simple dal, very healthy and tasty. So all the needed ingredients are, I've taken moong dal 1 cup. This is almost 200 grams. Little haldi or turmeric. Salt to taste, 1 onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, which I'll be using directly in the dal and also for saute. 1.5 teaspoon sambar powder, 2 green chilies, 1 tomato and little coriander. Let's go to this. Very important ingredient is this one. This is radish greens. So this radish greens are really very healthy. They are rich in fiber and they manage sugar levels. As it is rich in fiber, this helps in good digestion. I'll tell you more about this. Before that, we'll start our process. This radish, taken out this greens here. And this, I'm just cleaning it. Only the leaves I'm taking it. Just take out the leaves. If you are going to prepare it later, just keep it in a tissue paper and store it in the refrigerator. I've already shown you the cleaning process. Now see, these are still fresh. If you store like this, you can keep it fresh for at least 1 week. Now take out all this. I'm adding little salt and this is little hot water, not extreme hot. So I'll be soaking this for some time. And now I'll keep it aside, let it soak for some time. The next thing I'll be doing is, let me wash this. I'll be washing it twice. Now I've washed it. I'll be transferring it to the vessel in which I'm going to cook. Generally, dal is too healthy. When you add greens to it, that becomes much more healthier. And also, the speciality of this one is it's one pot meal. I always prefer to have this type of simple and easy cooking. This will be more useful to ladies who are working, or if you are in a hurry. I think this is very easy. You can even keep rice and dal together in a big cooker. To this I'll add 2 cups of water. Haldi and leave this for some time. We'll be adding all this to this dal. I'll be adding just 3 cloves here. The other 2 will go in saute. And this sambar powder. Next we'll be chopping this. These are actually powerful detoxifier, both radish and greens. So you should use it very often, as it is good for the liver. Also, this lowers body heat. Then this is rich in vitamin C and calcium. So I've added everything. If you have noticed that I've first washed the dal and I've soaked it for some time till I've completed all the chopping. So that is enough. Now this is good to go. I'm going to pressure cook this for 5 whistles. So this one is done. I have still not added salt here. I'm trying to just take out the excess water here. Now to this I'll add salt. And now I'll try to smash it. Actually these are 3 to 4 big radish along with the greens what I got, and for this I have prepared. Whenever you get the radish, don't miss the greens with it. This is actually my mom's recipe, very tasty. The aroma of this radish greens, so good. You should try this. Now the last part is tadka, that's it. If you are going to use this for roti, this consistency is good. Otherwise, if you want it to be little watery, then you can use the excess water which you have taken out. This goes so good with roti and rice. Most of the times I just have it with rice. That's all. We are done. We'll just finish off with the tadka. Now for tadka, I'm just adding 2 spoons of oil. Adding this garlic, mustards, urad dal, chana dal, little jeera, and of course little methi, red chili. That's all. Here's your radish green dal ready. Yummy and tasty, very simple, easy to cook. Please do try it and let me know it in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Till we meet next time in a different video, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.